Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve this problem once you try to delete any file or folder in your Windows 11 or 10 like this. Right click on it and try to delete. Click on yes. So you will see this error. This file is too big to recycle. Okay, so it will ask, do you want to permanently delete? So click on no. If you want to keep this deleted file in recycle, so click on no here. Now right click on recycle bin, then click on properties. Now here guys, select your drive and maximize size. So select your main drive, then maximize its size. So make larger than this file or folder. So if you check, so as we can see, we have about 744 MB. So maybe in your case it's larger file or 10 GB, 15 GB file or folder. So on that particular time you will see this error. So just you need make this size larger. So if I will make here 8000 MB, it's about 8 GB. So click on apply and then click on OK. Now right click and delete. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe to this channel.